Hello, welcome to the HiCAD short clips. In this video I'd like to introduce you to two great new features from HiCAD pipeline planning. The first new feature enables the moving of individual pipe parts or entire pipe chains. These parts can be moved within one pipeline or moved to another pipeline. How the parts are ultimately selected is arbitrary. You can either select manually with the control key, or you can also use the corresponding function from the plant engineering module and thus also mark longer part chains without any problems. In the second step, you select the command Move Pipe Parts, define the fitting point and have the desired parts hanging on the cursor. To complete the function, all you need to do is define the insertion point. In this case, this can be any connection point in a pipeline. You can also see that depending on where you move the cursor over the pipeline, the corresponding position is already displayed. I now select the point at the bottom, drop the cursor and see the result directly. At the top, the pipe is again continuous with a straight pipe, and at the bottom I have now inserted the corresponding valve with counter flanges and bolted flanges. The resulting situation within the pipeline leads directly to the second new feature, which I would like to introduce to you in this video. This is the automatic creation of straight pipes during a dynamic route change. Specifically, the valve and the attached flanges should be moved away from the elbow along the pipe axis. In the past, 3 steps were necessary for this: deleting the elbow, moving the valve, and placing parts on the pipeline. The whole process can now be realized much faster. The command Dynamic Route Change now has the option Create Straight Sections. If this is activated, the flange can be detached from the elbow at this point, the desired value can be set, and the desired destination can be reached with another click. This new procedure is much more efficient and faster than in the past and will certainly lead to a much smoother way of working. I hope you enjoyed working with the new features in the plant engineering module. Thank you for watching. See you next time.